Hey, this is Bryson with DIYShopFinder.com. Just want to tell you a little backstory behind my daughter's 96 Mustang. So I've been looking for something because she was turning, at the time, 16. Now she's almost 17. Working on this car for the last little while with kids in school and sports and stuff. It's always busy at my house. But we've been working on it slowly. Hopefully in the next 2 weeks we'll have it painted and ready for her to start driving it. But I just want to tell a little backstory about this. So I was looking for a Mustang. I prefer for the SN95, so I prefer the New Edge, which is the 99 through 2004. But couldn't really find one at the price I was looking at. I was finally able to find this GT, and it was really cheap. They put a propane bottle in the back window, and it had exploded and busted out the back window and dented the back dash. So, and of course they didn't cover it, so it was left out in the open, ruined the headliner, ruined the back dash. So I've been looking and got some used parts that we're going to use for that. Most DIYers, we're on a budget. We don't have the funds or don't want to spend the funds to make this look perfect, but my daughter can upgrade it as she wants in the future. And hopefully the value will go up on these. They already have somewhat, so we're hoping this will be a good, I like to say investment, but some people don't consider cars investment. But if nothing else, it'll be something that we've done together. So when I went to look at this car, it ran well, or it started well, and you could hear it running well. But he said it pulled to the right really bad. So I'll post some pictures as well in the video. But I went to pull the brakes apart after we got it home, trailered it, got it home, went to pull the brakes apart. And what I found is on the right side, front right brake rotor, they flipped the pad around, so it was metal on metal. So went ahead and fixed that and replaced everything, painted the calipers, and I'll flip the camera around here. Hold on. So we painted the calipers, all need new calipers, so we got drilled and slotted rotors, carbon fiber pads, and now it should be good all the way around. Have driven it once since then. It didn't seem to pull as bad. If it's still pulling, we'll need to start playing with the suspension. We also need tires and rims. Well, don't need rims, but I'd like to get rims. I don't know why everyone threw away the stock ones from these, the 16, 17-inch ones. Nowadays, they actually look really nice on these. Yeah, you can see it's all new rims, or all new rotors, all new pads. Painted them with just AutoZone caliper paint. And it turned out really well. They look really good. So yeah. But yeah, that was the story of this. It was pulling really bad to the right, and he thought there was something majorly wrong with it, and all it was is they put the pads on wrong. They're brand new pads, but they put them on wrong, whereas metal on metal flipped it the wrong direction. So anyways, yeah, I think it also has new calipers in the back because they weren't compressing all the way to allow new pads and rotors, so I had to get new calipers in the back as well and painted those. So yeah, thanks for listening. We're in my shop that I rent out on DIYShopFinder.com by the hour, by the week. I don't use it as much as I should, so I allow other people to use it and make a little extra money on the side. Thank you.